How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm over here on Instagram and I want to go to my profile first real quick. So once you are here on your profile, you want to click on the top right corner on these three lines and you want to go to the settings and privacy. Once you are here, you can already see all the way at the top the notification settings, and that is basically where you want to click on. And once you are here, you can already see quiet mode. It is the second option right there. So if I click on here, you can see that I have turned this on, and if I would like to turn it off, all I basically want to do is click on the toggle button. Here it says want to skip quiet mode instead. You can skip quiet mode for now to receive notifications until. You can also turn it off completely. So what you can do is by skipping it, it's basically that I've now turned it off for a full day, and then tomorrow it will be on again automatically. But if I want to completely turn it off forever, I could just toggle it just like that, and then it will be enabled once I turn it back on myself. So yeah, that is how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram.